Hello, I am Ganta Bhupati Naidu from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my B.Tech in JNTUK Kakinada, but I want to change in part of IT. So I joined Evision during the pandemic situation in Evision. I had to join the online job internship in 45-day training I am taken. I got selection from two companies in Orient India, Life with salary offered with 3 LPA. Uh, I think Evision Techno Service is a great platform to grow in myself. Their trainers are very helpful in training. I have learned CCNA, Windows administration, virtualization, ITLA, networking. Their trainers are Evision. They covered in all theory and practicals, everyday labs, and covered those technologies as well as providing practical knowledge to me. Thank you for Evision for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.